This is Justin Germino from dragonblogger.com, here to talk to you about inserting video into your WordPress blog posts. By default, the WordPress application does not allow contributor accounts to insert JavaScript or object tags. It strips them out. So if you have guest writers or you have a multi-author blog and they want to insert, say, some iframe code from YouTube, or they want to insert a video, they can't do that. If they try to put their code into the HTML section of the edit post like such, and then they try to switch back to visual or publish or send their post for review, WordPress will automatically strip out that object code and they will not be able to embed the video. There's a really great WordPress plugin called Viper's Video Quicktags plugin for WordPress. I highly recommend this plugin. It was recommended to me by Ivan from the Author Publisher. This plugin, once installed, will display several buttons at the top of your WordPress editor. These buttons include a YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, VO, and Blip TV buttons. You merely click on the button and then it will ask you to insert your YouTube video URL. After you insert your YouTube video URL, depending on the width of your blog, you may want to customize from the default dimensions. My blog typically can handle about a 550 pixel to 575 pixel width. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to YouTube and you're going to want to find the width dimensions for your blog. So after you go to YouTube to find the video that you want to embed, you've got to click on the share button, and then you'll see the embed option underneath the share link. Here you have the ability to set the custom width of the video. Again, for my blog, I'm going to want to do 550 pixels, and you can see for proper sizing it wants to do a height of 339. So if I want to embed this video, what I'm going to do is select this link, go back to my post editor, and put that in the video. And then I know I want to use 550 pixels by 339 pixels height to make sure it's the right size. Again, different blogs have different post widths, so you're going to find out what post width your blog uses. You could find this in your style.css, or you might already know from experience. You could try different dimensions and sizes and see what fits in your blog properly. After you do that, just click on the OK button, and then you'll see shortcode that sets the YouTube, the width, the height, and the video URL. You'll notice the shortcode doesn't use any iframe or HTML tags. It's merely shortcode. The plugin translates this shortcode, goes out to the YouTube video URL, and then displays the YouTube video. This way, the shortcode will survive when you click on the HTML or Visual Editor tab. If you had used the YouTube's iframe tag and switched between HTML and Visual, it would strip off your iframe tag and it would just disappear and vanish as if it was never inputted. This is an excellent plugin. The same process applies if you want to import or embed a Vimeo or VO URL or video. You just click on it, put in the URL, select the dimensions. You just have to remember to select which type of video service you want to use so that it properly interprets the short code. Again, even without setting the button, you pretty much can cut and paste the short code and you know what to do. Just put that anywhere on your blog and just change out the URL, and you can use that as like a template for shortcode for future posts. So, if you are a multi-author blog and you have a contributor accounts that may want to insert video into their posts, install the Viper's Video Quicktags plugin for WordPress. This will help your contributors be able to insert posts without using HTML code or JavaScript, which could potentially open up your blog to bugs or errors if the code is malformed or not put properly. This is also a good method for inserting videos into your WordPress posts, even if you're an admin account, because again, if you use the iframe code and you put it in HTML and then you switched over to the visual tab, it would make the iframe code disappear. So I highly recommend using the Viper's Video Quicktags plugin for WordPress. It's very easy to use. It works very well. And as you could see from this preview that's loading after me using that tag, you could see how easily it puts the video inside your blog posts after you install and use the plugin. So this is another tutorial by Justin Germino from dragonblogger.com. Thank you for watching.